everyone, welcome to my channel Super Beauty Desires, and I'm so very excited because I have just finished shooting my video, filming my video, that is giveaway video. So yay for giveaway, and I hope the lucky person will win my giveaway product. And yeah, so coming on to this video, actually, as you have read the topic of this video, title of this video, that from these days I am looking forward to use certain new products into my day-to-day life, because recently I have celebrated my birthday. So these certain products, these brands, Olay brands, are you can see these brands that they claim that after 25 years of age you can notice certain lines, wrinkles onto your face, and some fine lines, some wrinkle around your eyes or around your cheek areas. So yes guys, it will bother about these lines. So do I, so did I. So I just decided to change my products and throw away all my old products and will purchase new products. And because life is so short to try those old products, we should try new products from the markets. And so I just headed towards the market. Actually, I have seen very much TV commercials, ad commercials onto the TV or internet, that Olay brand is so good. They are, because these guys are claiming that they will hide your fine lines, wrinkles, and who do not want to look younger than your age. So I decided to purchase these items. So yeah, first item is this Olay Total Effect 7 in 1 foaming cleansing lotion. No, it is not the lotion, sorry. Foaming cleanser. It is a cleanser face wash. In our day-to-day life we call it face wash. Yes, so it is a face wash, and it is a very good product that washes away all the impurities for fresher and younger looking skin. It claims that it washes away impurities for younger looking skin, and it helps removing excess oil from your skin and get rid of dirt. And if you have come closer to any dirt or exposed to any smoke that you have been through whenever you are going outside, so it will remove away all your dirt from your face. And so it helps lift away your dull surface skin area. So actually we all we all need that lift onto our face, because as soon as we reaches old age, so our skin tends to get like this, flat. So we do not want that skin, we just want our skin to lift up like this. So I just have seen certain exercises, facial exercises, to lift my face up naturally in a natural way. So I just wash my face in upward direction like this, and use this product Olay 7 Effects, and I have been using from past 1 month now. So now I am in the position to tell you guys that how the product works for you. And believe me guys, it is working a lot for me, because now I have been using it for 1 month. And as you can see, know me guys, you are seeing my you are watching my video since very long. So you guys are here to tell me that is there anything that you notice onto my face. Yes, so you have to comment below that this product is working for me or not. Yes, so another product that I chose from Olay is this. Okay, is it visible to you? Yeah, Olay 7 Effects Day Cream Normal. Actually, it also have SPF 15. It is a little bit of less SPF required, because our skin require at least SPF 20, because we are facing sun most frequently. So we need SPF 20. Only this is the this is certain thing that I do not like about this normal day cream. As far as this is a very good cream, as you can see, it comes up with this pump tube, which is a very good thing. Yeah, show you like this. Okay, I hope it is quite clear to you. It has the pump tube, and let me show you the consistency of this product. As you pumps up. This is the consistency you get it from here. And let me show you here. I'm just doing like so that it completely melts on my skin. As you can see the effect, this is my normal skin and this is the skin after using wool effect. So it gives you certain tint of some highlighters, as if you are you have applied some of the highlighters onto your cheeks. So it also remains 4 to 5 hours onto your face. Yes, so it is a very good cream because it remains onto your face for 4 to 5 hours, and it will work for you guys that is remain for certain hours. So yeah, it comes in rupees. I want to tell you, this is the face wash and it comes in rupees 260 for 100 grams. This is the 260 for 100 grams. And I have just purchased this little bottle which is of 20 grams because I just wanted to try this cream, and whenever it will be finished I will definitely repurchase it, and some another size I will purchase, a bigger size I will purchase, because this is just 20 grams and it is for 325 rupees, as I remember the price, because I have gave 325 rupees. Yeah, what a joke. So yeah, these are all the things that I wanted to show you. And also I want to tell you that I have been changed my hair skin, what am I saying, guys? I have also changed my hair routine, so I will be filming video on that. Also I will be telling you that what certain products I have included in my hair care routine, and also in my hair oil routine. So I will be telling you guys soon. So yeah guys, it was my video and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel, so that you can get weekly update of the upcoming videos. So yeah guys, bye, see you, love you all, bye.